So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit the video resolution here in Alight Motion. So here's my video right here. If you wanted to make this, increase resolution or decrease, it's pretty straightforward. Go to the top right, select on the gear icon. Then where it says resolution, for me it says 1080p. Go ahead and select that. But once you're here, you can go ahead and change it. So if you want to make it less or make it more, you can go ahead and do what you got to do this way, right? You can go ahead and if you wanted to change it like that, you can actually fill this to your screen as well. So I'll just go fill to the area, and then all of a sudden your picture looks quite different. You can change this once again by going to the top right, selecting the gear icon. You don't have to make it 4K, you can just make it HD. You can basically do what you got to do, play around with it, and basically just kind of go from there when it comes to the resolution. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to edit video resolution in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.